Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about message box. So here we are not writing from tkinter import everything. We are writing only import tkinter as a tk only. So for message box we have to write separately from tkinter import message box, and we are assigning as mb because it's a very big name to use everywhere. So we will use mb everywhere. So here you all can see mb everywhere we have used. Okay. Now, these are the two defined function. One is answer function, one is callback function, and these are inbuilt function of this message box, that is show error or ask yes no function or show warning or whatever. Okay, so and show info also, this one also. So coming to this line, that we have created button. Okay, and obviously it is not from tkinter import star. That's why we have to write tk.Button. See, because of this line, it was not like from tkinter import everything. So that's why we are writing tk.Button. Now we have two buttons. Name of the first one is the tweet, name of the second one is the answer. Now command indicates that you are interested in calling which function. So command equal to name of the function you have to write. Okay, so here we are calling callback function, here we are calling answer function. And as we know that if you are creating button, have to compulsory use either place or pack or grid. Here we have used pack, and inside of that we can have a field or whatever. So field equal to tk.X. Now again I am saying why we are writing tk.X, because of the first line. We have not used from tkinter import everything, and that's why we are writing tk.X. If you are writing from tkinter import everything, then do not write this tk dot. Here also do not write tk dot, not required. Here also do not write tk dot, not required. Okay, now when this button means when you will press on this button quit, it will jump to callback, that means this part. Okay, now obviously it will pop up with one dialog box, small box kind of thing, and it will ask you that really you want to quit, and all that takes like a answer in the form of yes or no. And right now we have not implemented that. If I say yes, I want to really quit, so obviously it will not close your output window. No, we have not implemented that. Okay, we are just creating buttons, we are just creating dialog box and everything. Okay, and else if you say no, I don't want to quit, so it will just display quit has been cancelled. Your output is still running. Okay, and same way if it is answer, it will come over here and it will give you a one message like sorry no answer available, something like this. So let's check the output of this program first. Control S and F5. See, if I click on quit, it will ask me if you want to really quit. See, this verify is actually this part. Okay, coming to the this part, where is your out? We will execute one more time. Okay, now quit. If it is yes, like only yes and not yet implemented as a message. Suppose quit, and if I quit has been cancelled. Okay, fine, but that's it. Answer. Sorry, no answer available. It will display only those things. In reality, we have not done any implementation for those things. Okay, so that is all about simple like dialog box and everything in buttons. With buttons, you can do this. Thank you, everyone.